So today, we're going to be taking a look at STP, specifically the STPT token, and it's really important to pay close attention. When you're searching on any trading platform, you'll need to look for STPT. So today, we're going to dive into an analysis of it, and we'll explore precisely what this token is all about. It's actually quite straightforward, You simply come over here to CoinMarketCap, and then you can observe right here that it has gained a substantial 47% just today. But if we look at its on-chain movement, that's a massive 13x, which equates to an incredible 1,310% increase. So something significant is definitely happening with this particular token, if you can follow what I mean. Therefore, today, I'm going to break it all down for you, and I'll explain the reasoning behind why I decided to enter this trade. Now, you can actually trade this on BitGet, and if you're interested in trading it yourself, you can also come and find the indicator that I'm sharing for free over on my Discord. It's the very same indicator that we'll be discussing and examining throughout the course of this video. And of course, if you'd like to join me on trading platforms like BitGet, or perhaps Bitmart, or even any of the other available options, I'd really recommend considering BitGet, primarily because of the STPT token.